Suede. Soft leather with a fuzzy surface, often used for jackets or shoes. Velvet. A soft, thick fabric that feels smooth and rich. Corduroy. A cotton fabric with raised lines or ridges. Denim. A strong cotton fabric used for jeans. Linen. A light, cool fabric made from flax plants, great for summer clothes. Cotton. A soft, natural fabric made from cotton plants. Wool. A warm fabric made from sheep's hair. Cashmere. A very soft and expensive type of wool from a special goat. Silk. A smooth, shiny fabric made by silkworms. Satin. A glossy fabric with a shiny front and dull back. Polyester. A man-made fabric that is strong and wrinkle-free. Nylon. A light, stretchy, and strong synthetic fabric. Spandex. A very stretchy fabric used in sportswear. Leather. A material made from animal skin, strong and flexible. Fleece. A soft, warm fabric that feels like sheep's wool. Tweed. A rough wool fabric often used in jackets or coats. Chiffon. A thin, light, and transparent fabric. Organza. A stiff, see-through fabric used in fancy dresses. Velour. A soft, stretchy fabric that looks like velvet. Rayon. A soft, smooth fabric made from plant fibers, feels like silk. Acrylic. A man-made fabric that feels warm like wool. Tulle. A fine, net-like fabric used in wedding dresses or veils. Lace. A delicate, patterned fabric made with holes and designs. Jersey. A soft, stretchy fabric used in t-shirts and sportswear. Canvas. A thick, strong fabric used for bags, shoes, and tents. Hemp. A natural fabric made from the hemp plant, strong and eco-friendly. Brocade. A thick, fancy fabric with raised patterns, used in luxury clothes. Taffeta. A crisp, shiny fabric often used in gowns or evening dresses. Microfiber. A very soft, man-made fabric that feels smooth and light. Burlap. A rough, coarse fabric made from jute, often used for sacks. Gabardine. A smooth, tightly woven fabric used for suits and uniforms. Crepe. A light fabric with a slightly wrinkled or crinkly surface. Batiste. A very soft and fine cotton fabric used for light shirts and dresses. Poplin. A smooth, durable fabric often used for shirts and uniforms. Georgette. A thin, flowy fabric similar to chiffon but slightly rougher. Terry cloth. A soft, absorbent fabric used for towels and bathrobes. Viscose. A semi-synthetic fabric that feels smooth and silky. Mesh. A fabric with tiny holes, used in sportswear or nets. Sequin fabric. A fabric covered with shiny, reflective discs for decoration. Tartan. A wool fabric with colored crisscross patterns, often seen in Scottish kilts. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.